Unveiling the truth. The phrase, "come clean." Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning behind a very popular English phrase, "come clean." This phrase is used quite often in both written and spoken English, and understanding it can really help you in comprehending the essence of many conversations and stories. So, let's dive in and make sense of this intriguing expression together. The phrase, "come clean," might bring to mind images of cleanliness or taking a shower, but it actually has nothing to do with physical cleaning. Instead, to come clean means to confess, be honest, or reveal the truth about something that has been kept secret or has been misleading. Imagine you're watching a drama and a character says, "I need to come clean about what happened that night." What they're implying is they're ready to reveal the truth about the events of that particular night. While we might not pinpoint the exact moment this phrase came into being, it's believed to have originated from the world of gambling. Back in the day, gamblers used the term to indicate they were revealing their true intentions or actions, especially after being deceitful. Over time, "come clean" transitioned into more general use, where it took on the broader meaning of being honest or confessing about something to clear one's conscience or set the record straight. To get a better grasp of how to use "come clean," let's look at a few examples. 1. After hiding the truth for so long, she decided to come clean to her family. 2. He came clean about his mistakes and tried to make amends. 3. The CEO came clean about the company's financial difficulties during the meeting. In each instance, the person is revealing something significant that affects their integrity or the perception others have of them. When learning this phrase, it's important not to take it literally. Remember, it's all about honesty, not about cleaning or hygiene. Also, it's usually used in more serious or impactful situations. Saying, "I need to come clean about eating the last cookie," could sound a bit dramatic unless you're using it humorously. And there you have it, friends. Now you know that when someone says they need to come clean, they're gearing up to tell the truth about something important. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.